That sun is blazing, isn't it?
God, yeah.
So, let's see. Your feet, right?
Mm-hmm.
So make sure that when you're stepping out to the bow and arrow, that
Yeah.
your foot is forward,
Yeah.
right? And then when you're stepping up, forward, right? On your repulsed monkeys,
Mm-hmm.
try to make sure that your feet are separated out.
Yeah.
You have a tendency to have them like this.
A little bit, yeah, a little bit
Yeah.
closer.
Yeah, so step out, away, in, out, away,
Mhm.
in, out, away, like that, right? Going into the plow hand.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're here like this,
Mm-hmm.
right? Whether your foot's like that or like this,
Yeah.
you're putting the weight on the front foot
Mm-hmm.
and then pivoting the back foot
Yeah.
and stepping to the front foot
Okay.
for the first plow hand.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It does.
So back here,
Mm-hmm.
pivot, step.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching the video. And if you haven't watched our video yet about our free Tai Chi retreat that we're planning for down the road, go ahead and watch that video because we have a plan, and the only way that we can have this plan happen is with your help. So if you've made it this far in the video, pass the word that we need more subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the like button, and comment below, because all the comments, all the subscribers, all the likes is going to help us get where we want to get by having our free Tai Chi retreat. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.